This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Hunter Krim. Immaculate like new home in one of the most desirable areas in Ferndale. 4 bedrooms, 2.25 bathrooms, and 1,875 square feet. Open floor plan, kitchen with walk-in pantry, stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and vaulted ceilings. Master bedroom on main floor with large walk-in closet and large master bathroom with tiled shower. The other 3 bedrooms are upstairs. Bedroom above the garage could serve as a bonus room. This house is perfectly positioned on a corner lot with a fully fenced yard. Amazing covered back deck with a hot tub to host awesome outdoor get-togethers. For more information, review the details below or contact Hunter Krim at 360-734.